Hello, welcome back. My name is Kim.
My name is Erica.
And we're from SNAP-Ed Zufall Health.
Hoy vamos a aprender cómo cortar una piña.
Today we're going to learn how to cut a pineapple.
Ok, ya lavamos nuestra piña y vamos a comenzar con cortar lo de encima y lo de abajo.
Okay, we've already washed our fruit and now we're going to start by cutting off the bottom and cutting off the top.
Ahora vamos a comenzar con cortar lo de afuera de la piña.
Okay, the next step is to cut the outer layer of the pineapple off.
Ok, en el medio de la piña está el núcleo y vamos a cortar alrededor de la piña.
In the middle of the pineapple there's a core and we're going to cut around it.
Ahora vamos a cortar nuestra piña en slices.
My slice was really big, so I cut it into 3 and I'm going to put them together and I'm going to slice them.
Ahora tenemos nuestra piña que podemos comer como un snack, un smoothie o una ensalada de fruta.
So now you have a delicious snack that you can eat on its own in a smoothie or a fruit salad.